All right. Hello, everybody. My name is Cole. I'm the software development intern here at Guardify, and today I'm going to be demoing user groups for you. So here we are over in the users and groups section off the dashboard. And what a lot of people who are using Guardify Pro, what they want is to be able to share a piece of evidence or a case itself with a group of people. And this is a lot easier to do through the Guardify platform than it is, say, with a piece of physical evidence where there's a lot of changing hands. You don't necessarily know who ends up with that piece of evidence. But with Guardify, it's super easy to add and restrict access with groups. So let's go ahead over here and create a group. We're going to call it the defense team. And we're going to go ahead and add some defense users. We'll add 3 of them right here and create that group. And now you can see we can do a couple different things here. We can always go back and edit that group, remove and add users there. And we can also take a look at the group history to see when it was created, to see who was added. And we can also eventually see who was removed. But for now, let's go over to cases. I have this test case here that I've created for this purpose. Let me go ahead and go into there. And now if I go ahead and hit share, we're going to want to share with a group here. I could share individually, but we just created that group, the defense team. You can see it lists out the members here for me. Let me add them. And I'm going to go ahead and give them access to the file in this case. Go ahead and hit confirm. You can see we have a lot of other access and restrictions here that we can add when access starts, when it expires, whether or not we want to give them access to history, whether or not we want their file download to be encrypted. And we can go ahead and hit save there. Awesome. And now if we go over to shared, you can see that I can expand this user list here and confirm that these are in fact the 3 users I added. We'll go ahead and go back here to users and groups. And now a problem a lot of other people run into is they think, well, now that I've shared it with this group, I can't really do anything if I want to take someone off the shared list. But what we can actually do is pretty simple here. We can go back to the group, hit edit group, and we can go ahead and remove someone. Let's say defense user Jacob, hit update. And we can see that that is updated in the history there too. Let's go back to our case and confirm that that user has in fact lost access. So if we go to shares, expand the user list, we can see that defense user Jacob no longer has access to this case here. So it's really easy to add and restrict people given their access as long as you've shared with them the group. So the group is shared, not the individual people themselves. Hope that clarifies some things about shared groups here. Thank you all for your time.